Here's what kills you before you start. Most beginners slap affiliate links on their very first post, get rejected from programs for having zero content, and wonder why nobody's clicking. There's a specific number of value posts you need before you promote anything, and almost nobody hits it. I spent a lot of time on this, reading forums, watching what's actually working right now, going through case studies. And the pattern is so clear, it's almost frustrating. Because the thing that separates beginners who earn from beginners who quit has almost nothing to do with picking the right product or finding the perfect niche. It comes down to something way more boring than that. Patience. Specifically, the patience to create content that helps people before you ever ask them to buy anything. Here's the thing. Most people sign up for an affiliate program, grab their link, post it somewhere with a sentence like, "Check this out," and then sit there refreshing their dashboard, wondering why their commission balance says zero. According to Authority Hacker, beginners with less than 1 year of experience earn around $636 a month on average. But that average is pulled up by the people doing this the right way. The majority are earning somewhere between $0 and $100 a month for the first 3 to 6 months. And a huge reason for that? They skipped the foundation entirely. So let me show you exactly what that foundation looks like, because there's a specific number that keeps coming up. And once you understand why it works, you can't unsee it. Web Income Journal talks about a rule that I think is one of the most underrated pieces of advice in this entire space. Post 20 to 30 pieces of genuine value content before you promote a single affiliate link. Not 2, not 5, not a few posts, and then let's start monetizing. 20 to 30 real helpful pieces of content that solve problems for your audience. Why that number? It starts with something most beginners don't even think about. Affiliate programs check your content before they approve you. This isn't like signing up for a free email account. Real affiliate managers scanning your posts. They're asking themselves one question. Does this person look like someone who's going to send quality buyers, or someone who's going to spam links and make our brand look bad? Show up with 2 posts and a link in your bio, and you look like a spammer. You get denied fast. But show up with 20 to 30 genuine value pieces, approvals become almost automatic, because you look like what you actually are at that point. Someone who knows what they're talking about and has an audience that trusts them. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Those first 20 posts aren't just about impressing affiliate managers. They're training the algorithm. Think about it. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, a blog, wherever the platform needs time to figure out what your content is about and who to show it to. Your first handful of posts, the algorithm is basically guessing, testing, throwing your stuff at random people and seeing what sticks. But by the time you've published 20 to 30 pieces on the same topic, the platform understands you. It knows your lane. It knows your audience. So when you finally drop a piece of content with an affiliate recommendation in it, the algorithm is already pushing your stuff to the exact people who'd be interested, instead of burying it. That's a massive difference. You're not fighting the algorithm anymore. You've spent 20 posts teaching it to work for you. Now, here's the part most people get completely backwards. They think the content is the obstacle standing between them and the money. Like it's this annoying homework assignment they have to grind through before the real business starts. The content is the business. Those 20 to 30 value posts are doing something no amount of link dropping can ever do. They're building trust. And trust is the only currency that actually matters in affiliate marketing. A Reddit thread I came across put it perfectly. Someone wrote that their community basically died overnight when they flipped from mostly free value to mostly promotions. Web Income Journal calls this the 80-20 ratio. 80% free value, 20% promotions. Flip that ratio and your community dies. Their words, not mine. So when you spend those first 20 to 30 posts genuinely helping people, answering their real questions, showing them how to solve problems, comparing options honestly, you're not wasting time. You're building a group of people who actually listen when you talk. And when you finally say, hey, I've been using this thing and I think it could help you too, they don't scroll past. They click. They buy because you earned that. And you don't need a massive audience for this to work. That's the other misconception I keep seeing. People think they need 10,000 followers or 100,000 views before affiliate marketing makes sense. You don't. You need a small group of people who trust you. That's it. 20 to 30 helpful posts is exactly what creates that trust. Even if only 50 people are consistently watching your stuff, if those 50 people trust your recommendations, you will make sales. Period. One more thing worth mentioning. The creators I found doing this well aren't posting randomly. They're creating comparison content, honest reviews, tutorials that solve specific problems. One creator in a YouTube course I watched said their number one content type for affiliate marketing is comparing things, because that's what buyers are actually searching for when they are ready to spend money. Not what is affiliate marketing, but which tool is better for my situation. That's buyer intent. And if you've built 20 posts of trust before you make that comparison, your recommendation carries real weight. So if you're sitting at 0 right now, or you've been posting links and hearing nothing but crickets, this is your reset. Stop waiting for the perfect niche. Stop hunting for a magic product. Go create 20 to 30 pieces of content that help someone solve a real problem. No links, no pitches, just value. Do that and then watch what happens. When you finally recommend something, the difference is night and day. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to know what an offer worth recommending actually looks like once that foundation is set, go to homebizsimple.com. 80% commissions per customer and a done-for-you sales system that handles the closing so you're not building funnels from scratch. homebizsimple.com. Links in the description below. Okay? Okay.